going to show you how to use Olaybact in an effective way. Things that you never know about Olaybact. How to use Olaybact to get yellow skin tone. Chucky, Abby. Shocking. Oh, I'm going to show you a whole lot of stuff. Okay, so that you can do Olaybact tricks and hacks that you can use Olaybact for that you never knew. That things that you can do to make bucks, to make money if you want to use it to make money anyway. Things that you can do with Olaybact to make cool cash. Welcome to Ella Skincare, where I give you the best DIYs on skincare, cream reviews, and natural remedy. If this is your first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome. And if you're returning, you are warmly welcome. How you doing? Hope you are doing good. So today I'll be talking about Olaybact and the wonders of Olaybact that you never knew. Okay, there's so many things that Olaybact can do for you that some of us don't even know about it. I'm also going to show you how to use Olaybact to make a yellow tone lotion. I mean a pure yellow tone lotion. And after showing you this and use it, come back to my comment section to share your testimony, because this recipe is gonna be bomb. Okay, it's gonna be bomb, and I'm gonna explain everything. So sit back, relax, because this video is gonna be a little bit long, but yes, it's worth it. It's really worth it. But before we go into the video, if you've not been following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram at ellaskincare_1 and chat me for WhatsApp if you want to get any skincare products, haircare products. I sell and deliver original products to you worldwide. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. As you're watching this video, if you love this video, of course I know you will love the video, because this is an honest review. Okay, you know me now, you know me, honest review. So if you love this video as you're watching the video, please hit the thumbs up button to let me know you love this video, and share this video to your family and friends, because you never can tell who this video might be of help to. Now let's go into the video. Let's go. So this video I'm going to talk about Olaybact and stuff you never knew. Okay, like so many things that you never knew that Olaybact can do for you. This is what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this Olaybact right here. Okay, I'm using the front part of my camera, that's why you see it like this. But I'm going to put a pic on the screen for you to see exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to talk about this, tell you the honest review and my honest review about this, and show you how to promix a yellow tone lotion using Olaybact. And I'm going to explain the reason why I'm using all the ingredients. But first, let's talk about Olaybact. Olaybact is a triple action tube. Okay, it's an antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory tube. Okay, this is how it looks like. I said it earlier. I'm going to put a pic on the screen for you to see how it really looks like. Olaybact can be used by all skin type. Okay, by all skin type. So you don't have to be scared if you have normal skin, combination skin, oily skin, just sensitive skin. You can use Olaybact. The way it's made to suit all skin, whether you're fair, you're dark, you're light, whatever complexion you think you have, Olaybact is here for you. Olaybact will help you itching. If you have an itchy skin, you can use Olaybact to cure that. If you have eczema, you have ringworm, you have spots. In fact, the reason why I love Olaybact so much is that Olaybact is one of my top-notch anti-spot tube. If you're a student, you know that I always use Olaybact for some certain products, for some certain promixing. And you can also use Olaybact after shave. Okay, you can use Olaybact after shave. If you're a guy, you can use Olaybact after shave. And if you're a lady, you just wax your skin. Okay, you can use Olaybact to like rub your skin after waxing. Okay, or you know you're using Vit or other stuff, you can just use Olaybact on top. Just use to like rub your skin. It's not gonna make you dark, it's not gonna bleach you, okay, but there's a way you can use Olaybact to tone your skin to yellow tone, and that's what I'm going to show you guys later. If you have dark armpits, you can use Olaybact for your dark armpits, for your inner thighs. But for us BBW girls, you know our inner thighs, we're always having issues at inner side, unless you have a top-notch skincare routine that will help you take care of your inner thighs. If you're a BBW or you're a fat girl and you're having issues with your inner thighs, you want to use Olaybact to like rub those areas, clean those areas, to make those areas look fresh, soft, and supple. If I tell there's always suffering from breakouts, ache, and black spots, Olaybact is the number one thing you want to add into your skincare routine to help you deal with that black spot, to help you deal with that pimples and the rest. See, there's one thing I always use when I'm promixing face cream, body cream for people. I always use an anti-spot called Olaybact. Okay, I always use this Olaybact. Most of my customers abroad already know about this because I always put this inside any of the products they're buying. Okay, I always give this to them to like add it to their creams, to the industrial product they're buying, to help them manage and deal with pimples, ache, and make them to have a smooth skin. So now, how do you use Olaybact to get an effective result? Now remember, I said Olaybact is for all skin type. Okay, I said Olaybact for all skin type, and Olaybact is for any complexion. If you are fair, you can use it. If you are dark, you can use it. And at the same time, I'm the one that's telling you that you can use Olaybact to get a yellow tone. And some of you might be confused. Don't be confused. Like I said earlier, I'm going to explain. Now let's talk about the dark skin. My lovely glowing, melanin popping people. Oh, let's talk about how to use Olaybact to your advantage. Now, if you're a dark person, you're a dark guy, you're a dark girl, woman, boy, anybody, you're a dark person and you want to use Olaybact, you can use the Olaybact on its own. Okay, you can use Olaybact on its own. If you're having ache and pimples, you can use Olaybact to rub your face, to rub your inner thighs, your armpits, anywhere you know that your skin is rough. You can use Olaybact for that. If you know your child or anybody's having eczema, just give the person Olaybact. If you know you're itching, just use Olaybact to rub that affected area. That's for the dark people. Okay, if you know you are the melanin glowing people, okay, you can use Olaybact on its own. You can just use it like that. Okay, just like that. And if you know that a dark person, after using Olaybact for some time, you find that your skin is getting a little bit lighter and you don't want to get light. Okay, you don't want to get light, just keep the Olaybact for 2-3 days and then come back to your Olaybact. Trust me, that 2-3 days you're not going to get any pimples or any rough skin again. Even if you skip for like 1 week, your skin is still going to be intact. Okay, see, this is why I love Olaybact. Your skin is still going to be intact. You're still going to have that lovely result that you've got from your Olaybact. Okay, still going to have that lovely result. Mind you, Olaybact does not contain any harsh chemical, no steroids, so it's not going to give you any side effects whatsoever. You're not going to get any side effect. Now, if you're the light skin person that want to use Olaybact, you're light skin and you want to use Olaybact, you can just use Olaybact to mix your product. Okay, you can use Olaybact to mix your product, apply it on your bikini area. Okay, apply it on the bikini area, apply it on your ass, use it to rub that bum bum. Okay. Okay, you need to rub your bum bum and see yourself having a smooth bum. If you're a light person, you can just continue to use it. Okay, of course you see some kind of yellow lightness, you see that your skin is getting lighter bit by bit. It's not rushing you. Okay, it's not rushing you because it does not contain any harsh chemical. Okay, so it's not going to harm you. But you see, after using it for some time, you see that your skin is getting lighter. Since you're already a light skin person, you can just continue to use this for as long as you want to. Now let's dive into the main deal. Okay, let's dive into the main deal. How to use Olaybact to get a yellow tone. I know this is the part most of you have been waiting for. How to use Olaybact to get a yellow tone. Now, if you're using Olaybact on its own, okay, you find that your skin is getting lighter. Okay, your skin is getting lighter. The way your skin is getting light is giving you that tone, that beautiful yellow tone. Okay, if you use it for a very long time, you notice that giving you a beautiful yellow tone. Now, I'm going to show you how to use this same Olaybact to make a lotion that you can sell. To make a lotion that you can use, or you can use it as a gift to give to your friends or your family member that you know that you love to have that yellow tone. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So the first thing you need to make this your yellow tone lotion is your Olaybact. Okay, the first thing you need is your Olaybact. You need your Olaybact to make your yellow tone lotion. The reason why we're using Olaybact to do this is to give you that tone. Okay, that yellow undertone. Olaybact is going to give you that yellow undertone, and the reason why we're using this is to clear those pimples, black spots, eczema, ache, any irritation on your skin, yellow patches. Yes, Olaybact help with that. That's the reason why most all of us, for me, I don't know about others, I do a lot added to my pro mixing. Okay, you need this. Now the next thing you want to use as your base lotion is Bedon. Okay, let me hold it very well for you to see. You need Bedon. You need the carrot Bedon. Okay, I'm using the front part of my camera, but I'm going to screenshot and show you the different types of Bedon in the market, but this is the one then you need oh my god, I'm going to try to make it. Okay, this is how it looks like. I don't know if you can see very well. Okay, so this is the bottle that you want to use. You're using 500 ml, which is the whole bottle. You're using 3 Olaybact, and I'm going to leave the link on the description box on where to get Olaybact direct from the company. Okay, see, direct, I'm giving you a link direct from the company, so you don't have to be scared of getting fake, because there's fake out there. Okay, the fakes of it out there. You're not going to be scared of getting fake. You're getting the original one direct from the company. You need 3 of these for 500 ml. Okay, I repeat, you need 3 of this for your 500 ml. You need a miracle powder. If you don't watch my miracle powder video, you don't understand anything I'm saying, check it out. Link will be on the description box too, for you to know what miracle powder is used for. And you need your glutathione serum. Okay, this glutathione serum, see, everything I'm showing in this video, get the exact stuff, the exact thing I'm talking about in the video. Don't change anything. See, do not change, especially the Olaybact. Do not change it, because if you change it, you might get something else, and if you get the fake Olaybact, you might not get the recipe right. So please follow the link on the description box to get the original Olaybact. So you need 1 of this. This is your glutathione serum. You need this. Okay, if you don't know where to get this, sharp me up. You can get this original one. You need this, and you need your rapid white. Okay, so for these 2 things, your rapid white and your glutathione. Okay, my rapid white is empty. I'm just it. Okay, see, for your rapid white and your glutathione, you're gonna use 1 of your glutathione, the whole bottle from your glutathione serum, and you're gonna use half of your rapid white. Okay, I repeat, you're using 1 of your glutathione, you're using half of your rapid white. You're adding half of this to your promix. Okay, adding half of this to your promix. If you have money to buy beauty series, then switch this for beauty series. But if you don't have money to buy beauty series oil, you go with this half of this for your promixing. And the last thing you need is 1 of your extra white cream. I'm not talking about the gel. You need the cream to make it complement the Olaybact. Everything here is to complement the tone, that yellow tone that the Olaybact will give you. And the reason why we are promixing it is to make you have that fast result. Okay, to make the result very fast. So I'm going to repeat everything again in case you don't get me well. You're using 3 Olaybacts. Okay, you're using 3 Olaybacts compulsory. You're using 3 Olaybact, 1 Verdon. Okay, you're using 500 ml Verdon, using 1 miracle powder, 1 glutathione. Okay, you're using half of your glutathione. If you have money to buy beauty series, like I said earlier, go for beauty series. But if you don't have money to buy beauty series, buy this. Okay, and you're using half of your rapid white. Okay, this is your rapid white. Get the original one, please. Get it. You're using this, and you're using 1 of your extra white cream. Okay, mix this very well and store it in your container. Okay, you are good to go. Mix this very well and store it in your container. If you know you're going to sell this, please use German Plus preservative. Preserve it. Okay, preserve it. But if you know you're not going to sell this, or you're going to use it like 1 to 3 months, okay, you can just use it like that without adding preservative. If you know you're going to give this as a gift to someone, see, after giving this to the person, the person will come back to tell you thank you. The person will rush back to you to get this wonderful product that you're just giving to the person. I'm showing free tips here, free tips that you can sell to make money. Why don't you try this out right now? Okay, why don't you get this and use it on your skin? And don't forget to come out to the comment section to tell me your results, because I know you're going to have a blast result. You're going to have a wonderful, lovely result. Alright, lovelies, that's the end of this video. Like I said earlier, if you want the Olaybact, the link will be on the description box. I'm also going to put the link on the WhatsApp on the description box to check it out. Get it direct from the company. There's no corner marking around here. Get it direct from the company and get original of it. So lovelies, that's the end of this video. If you love this video, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button to let me know you love this video, and hit subscribe to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't also forget to hit the post notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Till I see you in my next one, I always say remain blessed. Bye.